Fish on, guys. Fish on! Morning, everybody. Well, we're at High Bridge. We're going to give it a try again. Yesterday was totally dead. You can see how short I cut the video clip because it was just dead. So, we'll try it here for, usual hour. Nothing happens, we'll head on over to 100. Marine radio. Voodoo. Kitty cat food. If she shows up. That's about it. Let's get started. Hopefully something will materialize. I will say it's all wet over here. It appears that somebody was throwing a cast net. It may not affect anything because we normally fish the pocket and along the edge. The current is going in the wrong direction this morning. Let's play it. Fish on, guys! Holy crap, I've never gotten one out that far. I hope it's not a catfish. Wow. What the heck is it? Oh my god. I was right. But you know what? You know what, guys? That's a sail cat. That's funny. I haven't caught a sail cat in a while. Let's get him off the hook and show him to you. He must have been cruising. I've been on top of that bridge and looking down, and you could just see the catfish cruising on top of the water looking. I wish it was bigger. Oh, right in that daggone tongue. Wow. I can't even pop. Holy crap. What the hell? Oh, that's my holy cow. Okay, guys. They call this a sail cat because of their long fins. Hopefully you can see how long they are. Dorsal's just the same. That's pretty cool. I haven't caught a sail cat in a while. So let's get him back into the water. That's awesome. I need to move stuff to the other side. Daggone sail cat. Grab my voodoo. They are slimy. I usually carry a spare rag. But yesterday I did laundry and I put them up in the cabinet. So I guess they're lurking on top of the water this morning. Fish on, guys. I knew I could get one out of the pocket. Fish on, guys. I knew I could get one out of the pocket. Not that big, but still a snook. I know you don't flying out of the water trying to spit me out. I knew it had to be a matter of time. Oh! Didn't I just get done saying that? Yeah, he popped out of the water and spit me out. At least I had a snook on. What time is it? Conditions all right. I should have probably left. But you know what? I think we're gonna stay here this morning. Conditions are right now. Let's just play it out and see what happens. Well, guess who decided to show up? Hey, baby. Come on, go eat. Good morning. Here we are at High Bridge. I'm not staying here all morning like I did yesterday, unless it's totally changed. I'll add what I got yesterday at the end. So anyway, I'm gonna go right now because the current's going from left to right. I like it from right to left. So like I was saying, the battery went dead. There's no way I can lift them up on this rod. I don't know if he would. Yeah, he would definitely go for a voodoo over there. But he took 30-pound test and just annihilated it. What time's it getting to be? I'm definitely gonna go over to 100 today. 3:21. Got a little bit of time. I saw him come up and grab it. That was a big snook. Whew. That was exciting. Let's head over to 100, guys. Pause for the cause. We're going to 100. Okay, we're at 100. Just checking my leader. I truly believe that was my PB snook just over at High Bridge that I lost. Hope to get him another day. Pterodactyl. Well, hell was that? Rough morning here at 100, but I was able to manage to pull out a mangrove, aka the real name, gray snapper. Let's get him in. All right, back at it again. Nice little mangrove snapper. Let's get him back in the water. So I went out fishing with my buddy Tony. He's got it in at these 2 houses and
In the sanctuary.
and a land that's not populated yet, I guess. Empty land. So how about some black drum? How about some black drum? Cool. Okay guys, there it is. 5.5 pounds, 3 ounces. Sweet. Let's get them cut up.